Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest wagons on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best foldable wagon of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Max Sports Heavy Duty Wagon Yard Cart. The Max Sports Heavy Duty Wagon Yard Cart is an excellent addition to your collection of household tools, particularly if you already have an interest in various utility appliances. This heavy-duty cart is designed for versatility and durability, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks around the home and garden. Here's an overview of its key features and benefits. Key features: heavy-duty steel frame. The wagon boasts a robust steel frame that can support up to 150 pounds, ensuring it can handle heavy loads with ease. Collapsible and folding design. This cart is designed to be easily collapsible, allowing for convenient storage when not in use. Its folding mechanism ensures that it takes up minimal space, making it perfect for those with limited storage options. Versatility. Whether you are moving garden supplies, transporting camping gear, or even hauling heavy items around your yard, this wagon is built to handle a variety of tasks efficiently. Product 2. Product name: Seiki 220L Collapsible Foldable Wagon. The Seiki 220L Collapsible Foldable Wagon is a versatile and robust utility cart designed for various heavy-duty applications, making it a valuable addition to any household, especially for those with an interest in baking tools, kitchen appliances, and efficient home management. This wagon boasts a substantial weight capacity of 330 pounds, allowing it to handle a wide range of items, from groceries and gardening supplies to kitchen equipment and household essentials. Key features: large capacity. With a 220-litre capacity, this wagon provides ample space for transporting bulky items, making it ideal for carrying baking supplies, kitchen appliances, or even large bags of cat litter. Heavy-duty construction. Built to support up to 330 pounds, the Seiki wagon is made from durable materials that ensure long-lasting performance, suitable for heavy loads such as sacks of flour or multiple kitchen gadgets. Foldable design. The collapsible nature of the wagon allows for easy storage and portability. When not in use, it can be folded down to a compact size, fitting comfortably in closets or the trunk of a car, which is particularly useful for those with limited storage space. All-terrain wheels. Equipped with big, all-terrain beach wheels, this wagon can smoothly navigate various surfaces, including sand, gravel, and uneven paths. This makes it perfect for outdoor activities, beach trips, or transporting items from a car to a kitchen or garden. Product 3. Product name: Collapsible Foldable Wagon. The Collapsible Foldable Wagon is a versatile, heavy-duty utility cart designed to make transporting items easy and convenient. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, this wagon is perfect for various activities, from beach trips to outdoor events, gardening, and household chores. Design and features. Heavy-duty construction. Built to withstand heavy loads, this wagon boasts a robust frame and durable fabric that can handle up to 400 pounds of weight. Foldable design. The collapsible structure allows for easy storage and portability. When not in use, the wagon folds compactly, making it easy to store in small spaces such as car trunks, garages, or closets. Big wheels for sand. Equipped with large, sturdy wheels, this wagon effortlessly navigates sandy terrains, making it ideal for beach outings. The wheels are designed to prevent sinking, ensuring smooth movement across various surfaces. Portability. Despite its heavy-duty capabilities, the wagon remains lightweight and easy to maneuver. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing users to pull or push the wagon with minimal effort. Product 4. Product name: Seiki 48-foot L Collapsible Foldable Extended Wagon. The Seiki 48-foot L Collapsible Foldable Extended Wagon is a versatile and heavy-duty utility cart designed to handle a variety of tasks both in the garden and beyond. With a robust weight capacity of 440 pounds, this wagon is built to transport heavy loads with ease. Its heavy-duty 300L capacity provides ample space for carrying tools, supplies, or groceries, making it a practical choice for household tasks and outdoor activities. Key features. Collapsible and foldable design. The wagon can be easily collapsed and folded for convenient storage and portability, fitting into compact spaces when not in use. Extended size, the 48-inch length offers extra capacity, allowing you to transport more items in a single trip. Heavy-duty construction, with a 440 pounds weight capacity, the wagon is designed to handle heavy loads, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks from gardening to shopping. Product 5. Product name: Collapsible Folding Wagon. A collapsible folding wagon is a versatile and convenient tool designed for a variety of uses, from gardening and outdoor activities to grocery shopping and sporting events. This particular model, a heavy-duty utility beach wagon cart, offers several features that enhance its functionality and usability. Key features. Large capacity, this wagon boasts a spacious interior, making it ideal for carrying a substantial amount of items, whether it's garden tools, sports equipment, or groceries. Heavy-duty construction, built with robust materials, the wagon is designed to handle heavy loads without compromising on durability. This makes it perfect for transporting bulky and weighty items. Foldable design, the collapsible nature of this wagon allows for easy storage and portability. When not in use, it can be folded down to a compact size, making it convenient to store in small spaces like a car trunk or a closet. Side pocket, the inclusion of a side pocket adds to its practicality, providing additional storage space for smaller items that need to be easily accessible.